The Star Holdings Group family of brands proudly manufactures high-quality commercial kitchen equipment at our expansive facility located in Smithville, Tennessee. A member of the Middleby family, the Star Holdings Group consists of industry-leading Star, Wells, Lang, Toastmaster, Holman, Magic Kitchen, APW Wyatt, and Baker's Pride commercial kitchen equipment brands. The rich history of our brands extends back to well over 100 years as our equipment innovations are woven into the fabric of early 20th century iconic American restaurants, the booming concession industry, and global fast food chains. The Star Holdings Group brands have been on the cutting edge of equipment innovations responsible for improving the speed and production capabilities of food service operations worldwide. There's a lot of history behind the brands that have now come together to form Star Holdings Group. Founded in 1904, the Lang brand began building wood-burning stoves for miners during the gold rush. Founded in 1920, the Wells brand is responsible for the invention of the hot food well and the electric waffle baker. The Star brand was founded in 1921 when we began producing concession equipment, expanding early in the 20th century to include the counter cooking equipment still dominating the market today. Magic Kitchen began producing commercial charbroilers in 1931 during the Great Depression. The Baker's Pride brand began in the mid-1940s when we innovated restaurant cuisine with the modern production pizza oven. With a foundation planted in the strong history of manufacturing and innovation for each of our brands, we are focused on manufacturing the equipment our food service customers need today. The Star Holdings Group team innovates and produces commercial-grade, high-performance food service equipment built to expand menus, improve throughput, and increase profitability for the food service industry and our customers. The Star Holdings Group production facility produces on average 400 pieces of equipment daily across 27 specialized assembly cells. Star Holdings Group offers complete solutions including cooking, baking, frying, toasting, merchandising, serving, warming, and ventless equipment. Please visit our websites to learn more about our brands.